Assalamualaikum and very good morning. My name is Shaidee Hafizi bin Khalid. My metric number is 176214. Today, I would like to present the basic understanding what is FM or frequency modulation. Okay. Frequency modulation or FM is the encoding of information in a carrier wave by varying the instantaneous frequency of the wave. Frequency modulation is widely used for radio transmission due to the fact that the signal to noise ratio in analog frequency modulation, such as FM, radio broadcasting of an audio signal representing audio or music. The difference between the frequency of the carrier and its carrier frequency is proportional to the modulating signal. Okay, for the next one is the advantage using FM or frequency modulation. One of the advantage is resilient to noise. What is the meaning of this? This is reduction to noise. Compared to AM, AM has a noise, but FM the noise can be reduced if you're using FM. And next is resilient to signal strength variation. It does not suffer audio amplitude variation as the signal level varies, and it makes FM ideal for use in mobile application where signal level constantly vary. And lastly is FM does not require linear amplifier in the transmitter. It means that as only frequency change, if only a frequency change are required to be carried, an amplifier in the transmitter do not need to be linear. So next one is the disadvantage of frequency modulation. So the one of the advantage is it require more complicated demodulator. The frequency modulation is that the demodulator is a little more complicated and hence slightly more expensive than a very simple diode detector used for AM. And the next disadvantage for FM is the sideband extend to infinity either side, which means the sideband for an FM transmission theoretically extend out to infinity. To limit the bandwidth of the transmission, filter are used, and this introduce some distortion of the signal. Okay, one of the application in FM use Bessel table. If you can see, here is the Bessel table. I don't know if this clear or not, but I will explain how to use it. Okay, I have a simple question for the Bessel table in the FM. Okay, the question is draw the frequency spectrum if the modulation index or beta is equal to 1. Okay, what we can see here, I bring the camera. Okay, for the modulation index, you can see modulation index is 1. So the carrier for the modulation index 1 is 0.77, and this is the sideband for the modulation index 1. Okay, how to draw the spectrum? I'm sorry. Okay, now I want to show you how to draw it. The modulation index is 1 and the carrier is 0.77. So this is the FC. SC is 0.77 volt. And the sideband one is 0.44. 0.44. Next one is 0.11. The last one is 0.02. 0.02 volt. Okay. For frequency modulation, the sideband left and right is the same. So we copy all of the right side, we copy it to the left side. So 0.44 volt, 0.11 volt, and plus one is 0.02 volt. So this one is T1. Okay. So that's all for my presentation. I hope you understand. Thank you.